Day 4 of 84. Full protocol, thoracic and lower cross focus. This is foundation phase, week 1, and today runs about 25 minutes. Let's go through it. Inhibit, 6 minutes, 3 moves. Thoracic spine foam roll, 2 by 45s. Pause at the stiffest segment and take 3 deep breaths, letting the spine extend over the roller. Upper trap ball release, 2 by 45s per side. Focus on the area where the neck meets the shoulder. Suboccipital release, 2 by 45s. Gentle nods only. If tenderness has decreased, add slow head turns. Lengthen, 6 minutes, 3 moves. Hip flexor stretch, 2 by 30s per side. Raise the same sidearm overhead to deepen the stretch into the psoas. Levator Scapulae Stretch, 2 by 30s per side. Be precise with the 45-degree head angle. Ulnar Nerve Glide, 2 by 10 reps per side. Extend arm to the side. Make an OK sign with thumb and index finger. Bend elbow to bring the OK sign toward your eye like a monocle. Then extend back out. Slow and controlled. Activate, 8 minutes, 3 moves. TA activation, 2 by 10. Try to maintain the contraction while taking 3 normal breaths before releasing. Bird dog, 2 by 8 per side. Add a 2's pause at the top of each rep. Think about reaching long, not lifting high. Modified plank, 2 by 20s. Forearm plank from the knees. Straight line from knees to head. Squeeze glutes, brace core, breathe. Integrate, 5 minutes, 2 moves. Open book stretch, 2 by 6 per side. Try to keep the knees stacked and perfectly still as you rotate. Bear crawl hold, 2 by 20s. Focus on quiet breathing while holding. Posture checkpoint. Notice your breathing pattern right now. Are you breathing into your chest or your belly? Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Breathe so only the belly hand rises. Practice 5 breaths this way. That's day 4 done, 80 to go. Subscribe to follow the rest of the program. And if you'd rather have it timed and counted for you, Posture 12 is free at posture12.com/get.